Hi friends, welcome to SSCJE Electrical. In this video, I am going to discuss about utilization of electrical energy weightage and the important repetitive questions regarding this topic. You can see in case of utilization of electrical energy, what are the topics comes under? Illumination, electric heating, electric welding, electroplating, electric drives and motors. And in the today's video, I am going to discuss about important repetitive models regarding illumination. And we have a weightage of 5 to 7 marks regarding this topic. Important repetitive models you can see here regarding illumination. Lamp efficiency. What is the lamp efficiency formula here? Luminous flux per power input. In some options they are giving lamp efficiency, flux per power input. So both are correct. Lamp efficiency formula is flux per power input, also correct. Okay. In some options they are giving what is lamp efficiency, which of the following is related to the lamp efficiency. So the answer is lumen per watt. Lamp efficiency, lumen per watt. And here the flux units is lumen and power input units is watt. And another repetitive model you can see illumination units. What are the units of illumination? In some options, in some questions they are giving option lux. So lux is the unit of illumination. And in some options they are giving lumen per meter square. Okay. What are the units of illumination? Lumens per meter square. And another one is meter candle. Okay. If three options given and fourth one all of the given, so all of these is the correct answer. Very, very important. Illumination units are lux or lumens per meter square or meter candle. Okay. So very, very important. And next repetitive model you can see total flux emitted by 60 candle power. Total flux emitted by 60 candle power. The candle power unit formula is candle power equals to flux emitted by 4 pi. So here what is asking? Flux emitted he is asking. So flux emitted means Fe equals to 4 pi into Cp. 4 pi means 4 into 3.14 into candle power how much given? 60 given. So 4 into 3.1 into 14 into 60. So 753.6 lumens. So very, very important formula here. Okay. So in this candle power of flux emitted, any one will be given, another one we have to calculate by using this formula. Another repetitive model you can see very, very important this one. Illumination formula is candle power by distance square into cos theta. Illumination equals to candle power by distance square into cos theta. So what we can write based on this? Illumination equal to candle power by distance square. You can write like this. Okay, it is a proportional to candle power by distance square. So based on that, for problem calculations we can use this. Illumination equal to Cp by d square, you can use it. Okay. So many problems will be given on this topic. Very, very important. Illumination equal to candle power by distance square into cos theta. So before going to this question and just see this question, illumination equal to candle power by distance square. So the question will be given like this. Illumination at a point 5 meter below a lamp is 6 lux. The candle power of lamp. Illumination at a point 5 meter below a lamp is 6 lux given. And what is the candle power of a lamp is asking. The same formula, candle power equal to illumination into distance square. So Cp equal to I into d square. This can be written as I and candle power can be written as Cp. So Cp equals to I into d square. So illumination how much given? 6 given. The units are lux given. So based on that you can know it is a illumination. So 6 into distance how much given? 5 given. So 6 into 5 square 150 candle powers you are getting. Okay. Based on the same formula you can see a previous question regarding the same. A 200 candle power lamp is hung 4 meters above the center of a circular area 5 meters diameter. The illumination of a center of area is asking. Okay. So illumination equals to Cp by d square, you know that. And candle power how much given? 200 candle power is given. Just substitute here. Distance how much given? 16. Okay. Distance square. Distance square. How much distance? Hung 4 meters above the center of the circular. Okay. So 4 square. How much you are getting? 4 square 16. So 200 by 16 you are getting 12.5 lux. Another important model you can see based on the solid angle, area and radius. So any two things will be given and third one we have to calculate. The question will be given like this. Solid angle subtended by an area of 2400 centimeter square on a surface of a sphere of diameter 1.2 meters given. So you have to calculate the solid angle. You have to calculate the solid angle. Solid angle formula is area by radius square. What is the area given? So area given is 2400 centimeter square given. You have to convert it to meters. So 2400 into 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meters. So 10 power minus 2 whole square you have to write. So then what you will get? So 10 power minus 4 you will get. 2400 into 10 power minus 4 by how much? That is a radius. In denominator, it's not distance, it's a radius. So we have to make it off. Diameter equal to 1.2 given. So make it off. So make it off. How much you will get? 0.6 you will get. So 0.6 square. 0.6 square, how much you will get? 0.36. So just simplify that, you will get this answer 2 by 3. Okay. That's a solid angle. And another important model you can see from the previous questions. A lamp has a mean spherical candle power of 25. A lamp has a mean spherical candle power of 25. The total flux of light from the lamp is total flux of light from the lamp. So when the question given like this, you have to use this formula. MSCP, that is mean spherical candle power, equals to total flux in lumens by 4 pi. What you have to calculate? Total flux of light you have to calculate. Okay, total flux of a light you have to calculate. So what you will get? MSCP into 4 pi. That's a MSCP. How much you got? That is 25. So 25 into 4 pi. Just multiply these two. Okay, 25 into 4 pi, that is 314 lumens you are getting. Okay, so important this one also. And next question you can see, melting point of carbon is asking. They will give you 4 options. After that you have to choose the 3500 degree centigrade. Okay, what is the melting point of carbon? What is the melting point of carbon? 3500 centigrade. Okay, next another one, very very important, melting point of tungsten is asking. Melting point of tungsten 3422. Okay, and in some options they are giving 3400 also. That one also correct. Okay, melting point of tungsten 3422 or 3655 in some books they are giving, and 3400 also in some books giving. You have to choose accordingly. And another repetitive model you can see, the fluorescent lamp average life they are asking. Fluorescent lamp average life 7500 hours. Fluorescent lamp average life is 7500 hours, and sodium lamp average life is 6000 hours, and high pressure mercury vapor lamp 9000 hours. Okay, they are giving 4 options. By asking this question, they are giving 4 options. Out of that you have to choose 7500 hours for the fluorescent lamp, 6000 hours for sodium lamp, and 9000 hours for high pressure mercury vapor lamp. Okay, more life high pressure mercury vapor lamp. And next, another repetitive question. As per IE rules, permissible variation of voltage, that is plus or minus 6% at a consumer end. As per IE rules, what is the permissible variation of voltage at the consumer end? They are asking. The correct answer is plus or minus 6% at the consumer end. Okay. Next one. A lamp having a mean spherical candle power of 800 is suspended at a height of 10 meters. Calculate the illumination just below the lamp. So what is the formula? Same. Illumination equal to Cp by d square. We have to calculate the illumination here. Calculate the illumination is asking. So illumination equal to I equals to Cp, candle power how much given? 800 given. So 800 by distance how much given? You can see 10 meters suspended at a height of 10 meters. So by 10 square, that is 800 by 100, that is 8 lakhs you are getting. Okay. So these are some of the repetitive models regarding illumination. Very very important models, and most of the questions taken from the previous questions. And after this, multiple choice questions on this topic will be discussed. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.